So, second time me recording this, hopefully this time it gets recorded. The first time the wire was loose of my microphone, so it is just mute video. But anyways, quickly I will tell. So I have to go to office, and I woke up late. So because I slept late, and I was supposed to wake up at 4:30, but I woke up at 6. Now 6 to 8 I study, so I have to quickly wrap up stuff. But still I got late. I started studying about 7. So yeah, I got late. Now I'm studying. I have to record this video. So after that, I'll get ready. But yeah, I have to start waking up at 4:30 again. So that means I have to sleep early. But yeah, anyways. So yesterday's video I was mostly telling ki what am I going to do is record one video every day, make one improvement every day, and learn software development skills and everything, right? But today I'll explain a bit more why, which is like why I'm doing this, like recording or improving your video. So most of it is like because I'm a big fan of pick one thing and keep doing it. So I picked software, and I have been doing it for 2 years, and now I realized I should have documented that journey, and yeah, better late than never. So I will start documenting the journey now. Hence, this is it, right? But why is basically the more I dove into software, the more I realized it's an amazing field, and there is so much to learn. And just the front end is such a big field to dive deep into and learn and everything. Because when I joined software, I was like, I will work on Linux kernel, Android, iOS, platform development, backend, and everything. But just the front end is such a huge field to work into, and it's so vast. I cannot see a end to it. So I will spend more time just learning React, Vue, Solid, Svelte, understanding how these work fundamentally. Like I was reading about React Fiber, like and how it works and everything. So I want to understand the working of React fundamentally. So uh, skill development. But yeah, I like reading articles like NC Dots, Adios Money, and these people, right? And Dan Abramov. They have written some amazing articles, and so currently my goal is to just understand how React was fundamentally, and just deep diving into React's code and understanding how this amazing project came into being and where it is going. So recently React 19 also was released, and which is a pretty amazing tool. There is so much in industry going on about it. So that is there. I'm also looking into how React Fiber, React compiler works. So before that, like when I started reading code, I was like, oh my god, I have to understand DOM, browser, how they truly works internally. So I'm also doing that. I'm also trying to understand how DOM works, how browsers work. So there was this article on web.dev regarding how browsers work. I'm just halfway through it, and it's a mind-opening experience how browsers internally work, how Mozilla, Chromium works, stuff like that. I'm also working on a full-time job, so morning is the time I get to record a video or study uh, on the things I really want to study and stuff like that, right? So I have to sleep early, wake up early. So why YouTube? So the reason for me to do YouTube is to document my journey becoming the developer I want to be, to have a good skill set, which I feel like I should have started earlier, but yeah, better late than never. And so that is why I'm doing YouTube, to also build a community around similar kind of people who wants to deliberately put time into developing their art every day, right? So yeah, like improving skill every day. This is what I feel like. Like, why not build a community around people like that? So that is what I'm doing on YouTube. I'm documenting my journey and creating community around everywhere. There was a cat cameo in the background. Yay, that is my cat. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. So yesterday's video, where I recorded a long session studying, was mostly I was trying to understand state machines and how they are implemented. There was a great Kensi dot articles on how state machines work, and it was amazing. And he implemented a very basic form of it, and uh, I was just understanding that it was. I tried implementing a traffic signal in state machine in React. So yeah, I posted the code on GitHub. So yeah, that also I did. Just reading articles on how state machines are implemented, actions, events, stuff like that. And today I was just understanding how server-side rendering works, how client-side rendering works, advantages, disadvantages. Because I have to deliberately put effort into it. I like understanding how things work, understanding how code works, how because software is such a community where open source is actually a thing where the brilliant mind people have already posted the code on GitHub and you get to see it for free. I don't want to miss out on this opportunity, so that's why I'm doing this. So yeah, hopefully it will be fun. Um, I'll keep posting.